Everyone, welcome. We provide a solution to this math equation. So we have 9 raised to power x is equal to x raised to power 9. So what is the value of x? What is the value of x? Now we can be able to rewrite 9. 9 is equal to 3 squared. Okay, so we can be able to write this as 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by x. This is equal to x raised to power 9. Okay. Now, applying the identity that if you have a raised to power n raised to power m, this can be expressed as a raised to power n multiplied by m. Okay, let's use that identity. So that now we are going to have 3 raised to power 2x. This is equal to x raised to power 9. Okay. Now, taking the logarithm with base, that is logarithms with the base of 3 on both sides, we are going to have. This is log 3 raised to power 2x to base 3. This is equal to log x raised to power 9 to base 3. Alright? So that now, applying the identity that if you have log a raised to power p, this can be expressed as p log a. Okay? So let's apply this identity so that we're going to have 2x log 3 to base 3. This is equal to 9 log x to base 3 to base 3. Okay, so that now we're going to have, remember, log a to base a, this is actually equal to 1. Okay, so that means here this is 1. This is saying like 2x multiplied by 1. This is equal to 9 log x to base 3. Okay, so that now we have 2x. This is equal to 9 log x to base 3, which can be written as 2x divided by 9. This is equal to log x to base 3. Okay, now we are saying that this equation is actually transcendental, and we can be able to try some specific values of x to find the solution. So let's start testing some specific values to arrive at the solution. Let's test some specific values. Now we're saying that if x is equal to 3, okay, and remember that our equation is 9 raised to power x. This is equal to x raised to power 9. Okay, so let's test if 3 satisfies the equation. Okay, so that we're going to have 9 cubed. Okay, this is equal to 729. Okay, and if you have, for the other part, we have x raised to power 9. So this is 3 raised to power 9, which is equal to 19,683. Okay, so we can see that 729 is not equal to 19,683. So this means that we don't have, this x equal to 3 does not satisfy the equation. So let's test number 2. Let's test if x is equal to 2. Will it satisfy the equation? So that we have 9 squared. This is equal to 81, and 2 raised to power 9. This is equal to 512. Again, 81 is not equal to 512. Okay, so again, this does not satisfy the equation. This does not satisfy the equation. Now let's test if x is equal to 1. Will this satisfy the equation? So we're going to have 9 raised to power 1. This is of course equal to 9. And if you have 1 raised to power 9, this is equal to 1. Okay, so 9 is not equal to 1. Okay, so that means that if x is equal to 1, then this does not satisfy the equation. Okay, so that now we test again. If x is equal to 0, will x satisfy the equation? Because if we have 9 raised to power 0, this is supposed to give us 1. Remember, a raised to power 0, this is equal to 1 according to the laws of indices. Now, if you have That is, if you have 0 raised to power 9, this is equal to 0. So that means that 1 is not equal to 0. So x equal to 0 does not satisfy the equation. Okay, let's test if x equal to 9 will x is equal to 9 satisfies the equation. Remember, we have 9 raised to power x. This is equal to x raised to power 9. Okay, so let's substitute the value of x. So you have 9 raised to power 9. Okay, this is equal to 387,420,489. That is 9 raised to power 9. Okay, so now we have also that x raised to power 9. This is equal to 9 raised to power 9, which is equal to 387,420,489. So you can see clearly that when x is equal to 9, x raised to power 9 is equal to 9 raised to power x. Okay, so that means that x is equal to 9. So this is the solution. This is the solution to our math problem. So thank you for watching, and for those who have not subscribed, my good people, consider subscribing and follow the steps to understand this math problem. Thank you.